Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes the procedure entry point not found dynamic link library problem fixing in Windows. First step is type system info in Windows search bar, click system info. Our system type is x64 based PC. Open any browser, type Visual C++ Redistributable Package 2013. Select your LonaGauge and click download. Check VCREDIST x64. Open downloaded file. After complete download, restart system. Second step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.